Changing headlights in a 1997 to 03 F-150. This is a 99 model year. We're using the Sealight LED Scoparc. Let's check them out. That's what they look like. Let's show you how to install them. Pop your hood and you're going to have two little tabs right here. This one's already pulled up. Sometimes they take a little persuasion, wiggle jiggling. There we go.
So you got to do a little bit of wiggle jiggling once you get these freed up and out of here, but don't pull them all the way out, but they go right back. Anyways, so next thing you're going to want to do is come back here. You want to free up this little guy right here.
Lefty loosey.
Yep. And then you're going to remove this clip. That's going to free up your headlight.
Once you get your headlamp assembly out, Jamie's going to show you how to install these bulbs.
All right, so you're going to want to go ahead and disconnect this little piece here, set your bulb on off to the side. All right, you're going to set this piece on in there the way that it's supposed to go. It'll just drop into its spot. When it's...
It only fits in one way.
There it is. Then you take your piece, stick that in there,
on.
And then you take your unit, plugged in there, and now it's secure.
Locked in.
Awesome.
Now we're ready to put the headlight back in and plug it into its spot. There's your plug right there. Snap her in.
All right.
That's what the zip ties are for any extra length you want to get rid of. This headlight's a little wiggly in the back. The plastic's a little messed up, but we got it through there. You could see these knobs go through, and they got a little groove where this locks right into them. Now let's see what they look like. All right, what do you think, Jamie?
So far, so good. I like that my low beams are actually visible on the road now.
Haven't got flash